Devolution Cabinet Secretary Eugene Wamalwa said the COVID-19 situation in Busia will remain serious for as long as the issue of truck drivers is not solved with the urgency that it deserves. Council of Governors Chairman Wycliffe Oparanya expressed concern over heavy presence of truck drivers in Malaba, a phenomenon he charged might jeopardize war on the virus. His Busia counterpart, Sospita Ojamong, admitted that the county lacks the capacity to carry out tests on all truck drivers using the border post to enter Uganda. Speaking while meeting with Testo Council of Governors, the CS further noted that the money meant to boost efforts aimed at mitigating spread of COVID-19 in all the counties has been released.
Ongeza wale wataalamu ambao wanakuja kufanya testing ili tuwe na vifaa, tujaribu tupunguze jam ambayo imekuwepo so that we increase our testing capacity ili tutoe jam. Hii jam ikiwa hapa ni hatari kubwa kwa jamii zetu.
Na pia hatutakuwa na matayarisho ya kuona kwamba tunalinda hawa watu. Kwa hivyo tutazidi kama county government ya Busia. Hii sio shida ya Busia County, ni shida ya region ambayo inahusu nchi za East and Central Africa ambayo national government lazima ifuatilie. Hii sio shida ya county.
In Kisii County, mudslide victims camping at Ibencho area of Magenche have received masks while benefiting from the COVID-19 sensitization drive from Kisii University. Area Assistant County Commissioner Fred Mwangangi made a case for urgent rollout of humanitarian assistance to be extended to locals who are in danger of contracting coronavirus.
Other corporate entities wakuje vile wapeane usaidizi kwa sababu hao watu waliathirika vibaya kiasi ya kwamba hata nyumba zao ziliharibika kabisa. Hakuna vile pengine watarudi kuishi hapo. Kwa hivyo ni watu wa kusaidia.
In the meantime, a chief from West Pokot County who was suspected to have contracted COVID-19 disease and had escaped from a health center where she was receiving treatment in the neighboring country, Uganda, was found and handed over to the Kenyan authorities. Speaking at Kapenguria County Referral Hospital, where the chief is currently admitted, West Pokot Governor John Lonyangapuo said that her samples have been picked and taken to Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital in Eldoret for further screening.
Deputy County Commissioner ambaye in charge of Pokot North Sub-County walikuwa wanapanga kupeleka rehabilitation center. Ni mtu alcoholic, mtu mwenda simu sasa, na that's how alijikuta kwa inji wenyewe. Kwa muhtasari ni kwamba tungoje matokeo kamili ambayo imechukuliwa asubuhi ya leo.
In Malindi, police have arrested at least 70 revelers at a famous bar and restaurant operating in the region for flouting COVID-19 guidelines. According to an eyewitness, the police arrived in a lorry and 2 pickup trucks and barricaded the entry points of the social joint before ordering everyone to board the police vehicle. Elsewhere, Kajiado County Referral Hospital Management has resumed earlier suspended specialized medical services, restoring hope to many suffering patients. The hospital management had suspended all special clinics and elective surgeries, among other services, to boost the hospital capacity in preparedness towards COVID-19 pandemic. Most medical officers were deployed to isolation centers, thereby impacting operations of the referral facility.
Hizi services ambazo zilikuwa zimesimamishwa kama kliniki, kuna yale ambayo tumeweza kuanzisha tena kama ya wale wagonjwa ambao wako na pressure na ugonjwa wa sukari na pia watoto wadogo.
And about 1,000 families living around the Masai Mara Game Reserve had a reason to smile after receiving donation of foodstuff worth thousands of shillings from a teacher's SACCO. The SACCO's program, dubbed Good Hope SACCO, gave the food through the Narok County Commissioner's office to the residents who mainly depended on tourism for livelihood. Finally, residents of Dallas in Embu received food donations from Bima's company to sustain them during this period of COVID-19 pandemic. Bima's company managing director, Dr. Patrick Gathondu, noted that many people living in the informal settlements have been hit hard by the effects of COVID-19.
Wale ambao tulikuwa tunauza githeri pale, wale ambao tulikuwa tunauza boga, kwa wakati huu inakuwa gumu sana kufanya hiyo biashara. Ama namna gani? Na ndio sisi kama shirika tukaketi tukaonelea, hata kama tunatengeneza hasara saa hii hakuna faida tunapata, hatuwezi keti tusahau ya kwamba kuna wale ambao wako kati yetu ambao pia kupata chakula ni gumu.
Beatrice Gatonyengetich, Channel 1 News.